Hey everyone, Ben Belack here, Beverly Hills Super Realtor. Today we are back in the world famous bird streets of the Hollywood Hills. I'm gonna take you through my new listing at 9141 Thrasher. When you live in the bird streets, you get to call celebrities and high profile people your neighbor. And when we show buyers from all over the world homes in the bird streets, they expect maximum drama and emotional views. And this residence has it all. So let's take a look. Like what you see so far? Come on in. This modern architectural was originally built in 2004, although the current owners executed an extensive remodel and reprogram to not only unlock and deliver these emotional views from nearly every vantage point, but also maximize its potential to entertain, as you can see by this giant room that runs the width of the house with 15-foot ceilings. On this side, a formal sitting area with fireplace and these wonderful design features, connected with a central hub of a bar, my favorite. Bartender, he's coming. And with drink in hand, we migrate to this lounge to take in the expanse of the ocean and city lights. But it really becomes so easy to grasp what we've covered so many times on this channel before, that Los Angeles living is the seamless marriage between inside and out. And the topography of the Hollywood Hills truly does limit house configuration. They so often end up vertical and compartmentalized, but thanks to all of these voluminous and open interior and outdoor spaces, you could entertain a gathering of 80 people here or display a collection of art. You know, I'm gonna stop talking about it. Let me show you. What would a Hollywood Hills home be without an elevator? Actually, most don't have an elevator. Stepping into the primary suite, you can immediately see it's separated into two sections. First, a lounge and fireplace where you can read or maybe catch up on some highlights while you wait for your other half to finish getting ready. And on the other side, you can watch the sun go down or come up. But wait until you see the primary bathroom and closet. Let's go. Of course, a modern home is not complete without a flexible space. And while this one is currently configured as a media room, could also be a yoga studio or a home office. But what it can't be is a gym, because they already have one, and wait until you see it. I hope you enjoyed our tour of 9141 Thrasher. Of course, if you're looking to buy or sell in Los Angeles, you can always contact me through the links below. If you want to see a tour of another Hollywood Hills home, click here. If you want to see our driving tour of the Sunset Strip, click here.